Hello everyone, how to towards back with another new video, and in this video I'm going to show you how to get AliExpress app on your device. So we know that AliExpress or Alibaba is a well renowned application or online marketplace. So there is a app available in Google Play Store and Apple Store. So want to what you need to get this, once you simply tap on the Google Play Store and search here the option AliExpress, and this one, click here, and you can see 4.4 rating out of 5 and 14 million reviews. It means 14 million plus, right, something 72 megabyte size of the app, and 50 million plus will already download this app. So what you need to do, you need to tap the install button, so it takes few moment to install in your device. So okay friend, I hope this video is helpful for you. So today's number, and thank you for watching.